Hey, what's going on, guys? Kyle over at Elite Edge Gym here today to talk to you about one of the staple exercises of our Friday Total Body Strength Days. You'll oftentimes see this as our first exercise for the novice option on those days, and this is called a Dumbbell Suitcase Deadlift. Now, I'm going to demonstrate this exercise with a pair of dumbbells, but it can also be done with a pair of kettlebells as well, okay? So I'm going to set up to start off with my feet a little bit closer than shoulder width apart. That's going to be your first coaching cue for your clients, okay? Now, dumbbells are going to be neutral position right by my sides. I'm going to hinge at the hips, bend at the knees at the same time, trace those dumbbells down my legs, and that's coaching cue number 2 for you, until I reach about a mid-shin position. Now, as your clients are performing this exercise, you want to make sure that their spine stays neutral the entire time. That means nice straight back, making sure that we keep our chest out, shoulders packed down, and our lats nice and tight the entire time, okay? So, just to demonstrate for you from the side, I'm going to bring those dumbbells down my legs until right about a mid-shin position, and come straight back up right like so. Now, if you have any brand new clients, my recommendation to you is start pretty light with the weights for the repetitions listed on the board, and as they're progressing over the course of the workout, if they're able to do heavier weights using correct technique, have them slowly inch those weights up, okay? If you have somebody that really struggles with the movement, rather than coach them weighted, try and get them to be comfortable with the motor pattern, body weight first, before you start introducing dumbbells. Anyway, give those coaching cues a try the next time we do dumbbell suitcase deadlifts in one of our boot camp workouts.